Michal Cwiklinski, GVA Polska. We are the investment and project management and hotel advisors. We take part in the CEE Investment Awards every year. We like the event a lot. It's a great event. It takes 2 days. The jury dinner on Wednesday, the forum on Thursday, and the awards gala on Thursday evening. It's a great event. There are a lot of people coming. We're enjoying it a lot. There are a lot of investors coming to join the event, a lot of bankers, a lot of lawyers, a lot of great people. It's great to exchange the views over the market. It's one of the first gala dinners and the first of the event just after the expo. So it's great to sum up the year so far, to talk about the market, to talk about the investment deals. It's great to talk about the future of the market, where the market is heading to. Great to see you, Andras. Great food, great drinks. Craig, it's great to be here. Thank you for the invite.